How can I start making money? Where do I start? I get a lot of questions like that, so listen carefully. I'm going to be a little bit rude with you this time, like fathers are sometimes, but this is for your good. I don't care how you will start making money, everyone has their own strategy of making it. If I tell you step by step how to start making money and thousands of people watched the video and started that way, that means there is thousands of competitors out there. But if you make your own plan for how to start, what to do, and how can you become different than others, how many competitors will you have out there? No one, or maybe only a few, and that means a bigger chance of succeeding. So I don't care how you will start, I'm here because I want to update your computer in your head to be able to make money and think different. All you need to become a millionaire and successful is already inside you. You don't need money or luck to make money and be successful, you are already a millionaire, you just need to update your computer in your head, and I'm doing that right now. As I said, be curious about answers. If your question is how can I make money online? Type that into Google or YouTube and you'll see thousands of opportunities. Learn a little bit about every opportunity. Pick the one you like the most, and if you think it fits you and you are interested in, then close your phone, lie down, and start thinking about it. How can I start without money? What do I need to do? Why should people listen or purchase it from me? And keep going with questions until you get all the answers. You are unique here on the planet Earth, so your business needs to be the same. Unique. This was Mr. Salvatore speaking. This was step by step on how to start making money. Copying other people's strategies is a waste of time. If you are copying someone's strategy, make sure to make it at least 10 times better so it will be unique. That way you will make millions.